To create a category from which you could pull, say, a bunch of midterm questions, here's the route that I would take. In this class I had a weekly quiz, and what I'm going to do is put the quizzes in the midterm in one group so that I can pull from them. Place to start is in questions. I'm going to click on the categories tab up here, and you'll see that I have 14 quizzes, a midterm, and a final exam. I'm going to select my parent group here to be the default for the course, and then I'm going to call this midterm and quizzes, and then just hit add category. And now you see I have the midterm and quizzes group here. Now I want to move quiz 1 through 7 into this section. So what I'll do is I'm going to start out with midterm. I'm going to move this down and move it down again, and then I'm going to indent it to make it part of the midterm and quizzes group. I'm going to do that with quiz 1 through 7. Now you notice I have all of the quiz 1 through 7 and the midterm as a child category of the midterm and quizzes 1 through 7 group. So now what I can do is I can come back out here and I can add a new quiz. I can just give it a name. I'll call it test sample. I can scroll down, I can hit save and display. And now when I want to add questions to my quiz, I can switch to the question bank, and you can see in quizzes 1 through 7 there's 140 questions, and in the midterm there's 60. So when I do this maneuver to tell it that I want to pick from the midterm and quizzes 1 through 7 group, and I tell it here to display questions from the subcategories, I can hit show all 200, and now I have 200 questions to choose from. I can tell it that I want to add whatever number. Let's say I want 50 questions randomly, so I can just hit add, and now I have 50 random questions from this group of 200, and it'll actually be a different 50 questions for each student. That's the way that I would probably manage what you're asking for.